Hi guys! Welcome. Come on in. Welcome to our tiny house.
Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own.
Now, you guys, I'm going to show you the house we just bought here in sunny Southern California. And it's a small house. It's going to be a quick little video because the house is so tiny. Okay, you guys ready? Follow me. All right, first I'm going to show you our living room. This is where we spend most of our family time.
Get a man.
On this TV. I don't know what size it is, but we're not rich, so it's probably like a 60 or something. Come over here. This is our recliner. All these couches recline. Yeah. And here's our baby girl. All right, let me show you some more of the house. All right, so over here is our dining area. Furniture, and believe it or not, these little plants all around the house you're gonna see is only $5 at Target. $4.99 at Target. Cute, right? Small little kitchen. That was my husband. Kitchen, and that's about it. Small, what you see is what you get. Regular fridge, dishwasher.
Mommy, show them because the water pours out of the fridge.
Oh, Peyton wants me to show you how the water pours out. So, get a glass. This fridge makes water off the side of the fridge. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Voila. And you got some filtered water, y'all. We love that part of the fridge. So let's go back here. Ooh. Ooh. I'm not showing y'all this room. Nope. That's where we store all of, that room is where we store all of Paisley's stuff and our dirty clothes, and I'm sure y'all don't want to see that. That's our guest room. We don't have nothing in there. But right here is the kids' bathroom. They rarely take a bath in here. They take showers in our room most of the time. And that's a bathroom's a bathroom where the magic happens.
Like sweet soap?
This is my kitty's room.
sewer and all type of other stuff on it. See? And I also made my bed. And this is my brother's bed on the bottom bunk. And he have a Paw Patrol blanket.
Well, this is my kids' room. We redid it because
because it looked crazy on the other half.
yeah, so we just wanted to insert this little new video showing the renovated room. I said I was gonna redo their room. So yeah, let me show you the rest of the house. All right, guys, and right across from my kids' room, of course, it's me and my husband's bedroom. Come on in. My favorite part of this room is this. It says, I choose you and I will choose you over and over and over. Without pause, without a doubt, and a heartbeat. I'll keep choosing you. And I will keep choosing my baby. Okay, and that's about it. I'm telling you guys, this is a small house. So I'm gonna hand the spotlight over to Peyton and she's gonna show you our backyard.
Yes! Finally. Okay, come on, let's go to our backyard.
You ready, Aaron? You ready to show him the backyard?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is our backyard. We jump on every single day. And here we go is our playhouse. And here is our and here's our dirty pool.
It's just dirty because we had Santa Ana winds, you guys. Usually it's clean. Our pool guy's coming tomorrow. I should have did this tomorrow, but oh well.
My sister's back, Mama.
Huh, baby?
My sister's back. My sister's back. My sister's back.
Your fish is back. Yay.
Oh, and here is another place where my dad talks on to my mom. And here we go, where me and Aaron sit.
What happened to the top of it?
It got ants on it.
Got ants on it.
Yeah. See? You see all that black stuff? That's ants. See?
You doing that gonna put ants on you.
At least there's no red ants or anything. Okay, and this is
Hold
our
on, hold
backyard.
this. Hold this and put this on here so we can show this part through.
There you go. Then that's just my brother on a swing. Here's my mom putting on the thing for our little thing. I don't know what it's called, but it's there you go. This is it. And here's our fire pit. And this thing with him. And yeah, that's it about our back. That's all what's in our backyard. So, yeah.
Hey y'all,
Hard at work. Hard at work. Look at that. Boom, boom. Switch, pow, boom. That's that fineness.
Thanks for watching this video.
Please subscribe down below and comment. What you got to say, baby A? If you can hear that in the background, that is my husband doing some yard work, and that is why he is not in this video today, but he's always here in spirit. All right, Risk Squad.
Let's God out.
Bye, guys.